Good morning, children. We have completed our third lesson, that is nature of matter. Today's class, let us learn about the separation of substances. Children, in our day-to-day life, we come across a variety of materials. Yes, like soil, which is essential for plants to grow, air, which is needed for our breathing, oil for cooking, then milk for drinking, right? And so on. We are seeing a variety of materials, children, like soil, air, oil, and milk, and all, and so on. Most of these materials are mixtures, children. We think that milk is a pure substance, but it is not a pure substance. Milk is made up of water, fat, and milk powder. And even we know soil. Soil, it will have pebbles, then small stones, even dry grass pieces, yes, and paper pieces. All those many other materials will be present in the soil. Air, we know that air is also a mixture of so many gases. So most of these materials which we see around us are mixtures. So what are mixtures? They are made up of two or more substances. Mixtures are made up of two or more substances. Okay. So when we observe the samples of good quality of sugar and soil. See here, children, you can see this is sugar and this is soil by using magnifying glass. So this is called as magnifying glass. So when we observe sugar and soil closely with the help of magnifying glass, what can we observe from these two? We observe that the sugar particles, the particles which are present in the sugar, all are of same, let us take shape and size and all, and when we color also, and when we see the sand, are we seeing the same shape and size, children? No, it is different. Okay, so we observe in the sugar sample, each grain has nearly the same color and shape. So sugar, which is white in color, every grain will be having same white color and also shape remains the same. But when we see the soil, children, the soil sample has particles of many different types and colors. Okay, and these particles may be sand, small stones, some blades of grass, paper, bits of paper, pebbles, and so on. Okay, so this sugar which is having same color and same shape and all, those substances are called as pure substance. So the sugar sample is a pure substance, that is, it is mainly of one type of substance. The substances which are made up of only one type of substance, they are called as pure substances. Okay, but when we take the soil, children, soil is a mixture as it contains more than one type of substances. Okay, so any substance which consists of more than one type of substances, then it is called as a mixture. A substance which is made up of only one type of substance, it is called as a pure substance. Okay, children. So all the different samples of these substances have identical appearance and properties. Here are some pictures given to you, children. See, this is salt. So salt, it looks same color, same shape and all. So a salt is an example of a pure substance. When we talk about sugar, sugar is also an example of a pure substance. Milk, milk is not a pure substance, it is a mixture. As I told you, it consists of water, then fat and milk powder. Okay, so milk is a mixture. Then coming to butter, butter also you can see little salt and all they'll add. So it is not a pure substance, it is also a mixture. Now coming to this one, children, jute rope. So it is a pure substance. Chocolate milk, where we are adding the chocolate to the milk. So it is a mixture. The vegetable curry, what your mother prepares. So this is also an example of a mixture. And the water from a pond. So water from a pond consists of so many substances including the aquatic plants and animals. So this is also an example of a mixture. Okay children. Now what are mixtures? Mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any proportion. So a mixture is formed when two or more substances are mixed together in any proportion. The components of a mixtures are not combined chemically. So components means substances. The ingredients which are present in the mixture, they are called as components. So the components of a mixture are not chemically combined. Okay, examples: air, then soft drinks, lemonade and seawater. All these are examples of mixtures children. Okay, so here in the tabular form you can see some examples of the mixtures with their components. Here we all know that it consists of nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, argon, dust particles, water vapor, etc. Seawater consists of salts, water and sand particles. Aerated drinks means cool drinks children. So they consist of water, sugar and carbon dioxide. Okay. Then lemonade, that is lemon juice. So in lemonade you have lemon juice, sugar and water. Okay. Then crude oil. This is an impure oil which we get by digging the surface of the earth. Okay. So this consists of petrol, kerosene, diesel, etc. So all these are present in crude oil. So this crude oil is also an example of a mixture children. So air, seawater. Air is in which state children? Gaseous state. Seawater liquid state. Then aerated drink is also in liquid state. Lemonade in liquid state. Crude oil is also in liquid state. So what can we say? A mixture can be in the form of a solid, liquid or a gaseous form. Some examples of the mixtures or each of these forms are given in the table below. Okay, some examples are given. What are those? Solids, liquids, gases. So mixtures are present in different forms. Solid examples are soil, then alloys. Alloys means mixture of two or more metals. Okay, mixture of metals or non-metals. It may be two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. Okay, so that is called as alloys. We will be learning about these alloys in your higher classes children. And then the fuse wires, the wires what we use in the fuse. Okay, so these are all examples of solid mixtures. Coming to liquid, liquid mixtures are salt solution where you are mixing the salt and you can see the solution clearly. Yes, and then aerated drinks, that is cool drinks and seawater. Okay, now coming to the gaseous. So gaseous mixture is air, CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. CNG means compressed natural gas. Then PNG, piped natural gas. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Okay, liquefied petroleum gas. So these are the full forms of LPG, CNG and PNG. So all these are the examples of mixtures children, that is which is present as solids, liquids and gases. So in our next class we will discuss about the different types of mixtures. Okay, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. Hope you understood what are mixtures children and what are pure substances. Okay, thank you children. Have a wonderful day.